Hey guys, this is Nigel from Wellbuilt. Have you heard the good news? Fresh Blends is one of the most dynamic, efficient, cost-effective and popular items in the beverage market today. It creates 43 different varieties of drinks. It's in a small footprint. It's pretty much a turnkey program. The unit is easy to clean and easy to maintain. It serves natural fruit flavors with no preservatives, no high corn fructose syrup, and is made in the USA. Also available, we have organic menu, which is less sugar, and also a protein menu for the health conscious of all of us. It's great for schools. Students get a variety of drinks that they need. They get to stay on campus and not having to leave to get these drinks. They get nutrition and nutritional value from each of these drinks, and it's a phenomenal money maker. Call your local rep group for any information, and I do look forward to sharing a Fresh Blends with you guys pretty soon. Bye.